Blume is getting notoriously famous for a string of successful stories, especially in the recent past, in the last 3 to 4 months. And our peers are constantly getting in touch with us for having the opportunity to talk to one of the fund managers at Blume, always.
Blume has been contributing on various size and scope of the company in terms of process, in terms of investment relationship, in terms of managing the business kind of outlook that as a team we need to have, and the company has been growing on that strength.
Blume brings value along two vectors. One being the introducing companies like us within the network of entrepreneurs who could be our potential customers or sometimes partners, as well as to prospects in the enterprise and so on. So certainly along these two lines, the fund and the fund managers bring a lot of value to a company like us.
Blume definitely deserves to own the equity that they do, not just for the money that they have bought in, but for the sheer amount of passion and the support they give to the entrepreneur in building a successful venture.
Nivaata Systems, we have already raised 2 rounds from Blume as well as from the existing investors, and given the chance we would continue to do so till Blume is interested and we continue to make progress.
For our future round of funding, on any day we'll be going back to Blume, discussing, because they've understood the roadmap, they've understood the business, how it is shaping, the kind of value they add is huge. But in case we need more, the funding sizes to be higher and larger, we will be discussing that with other investors too.
Blume actually understands what it takes to run a company, I think. For example, we've actually changed multiple features, we've changed the market once in a while, we've changed the product a little bit, and they've always patiently listened to what we have to say, and wherever sense prevailed, they've actually accepted it and acknowledged it. Their patience really brings in a lot of confidence with the entrepreneur, I think. That's the benefit that we've really derived by working with Blume.
Running Blume, I will support early stage startups, and also I will be choosing certain startups which are getting bigger momentums and kind of support them in their late stage fundraising, and that way I would be able to get the best out of my investment.
Blume should continue doing what they're doing. Their portfolio loves them. The market believes that they're doing an excellent job in helping entrepreneurs. And if I were part of the Blume team, I wouldn't change anything that Blume was doing today.